Welcome to Peppy Learning Solutions. Using this video, you are going to learn about methods in Java. Topics covered in this video are: what is method, naming convention for a method, method declaration, return type in method, method parameters, access specifiers for a method, non-access specifiers for a method. What is a method? A Java method is a collection of statements that are grouped together to perform an operation. In other words, Java methods are where you put the operations on data in your Java code. In simple terms, you write your business logic in Java method. Method naming convention. How do you name the method? So, you name the methods in camel case. Let's say greet sales, save customer. If it is a single word, say greet, all are in lowercase. Whereas get sales, which is two words combination, first word is completely on lowercase and second word, first character is uppercase and rest of the letters are lowercase. Same with save customer. This is called camel case. Method declaration. Let's see mandatory elements for a method. A method name with open brace, close brace and open parenthesis and close parenthesis and a return type. Let's go and create a method first and come back and revisit the slides. So for that, you should have opened your Eclipse. I have already opened Eclipse. I right click on the source folder, new, package, com.peppy.method. As we are going to learn about of method, I created a package name as method. There is no keyword called method, so you can use that as part of a package name. Click on finish. Now on the com.peppy.method package, right click on it, new, class, create a class name called welcome and say finish. Let's go and create a method here, say void, which is of return type, and welcome message. This is the method declaration. If you look this method, welcome message is a method name with open and close braces and open and close curly braces and the return type. This is the bare minimum declaration of a method. Do remember, you can create methods only inside the class. Now, let's go back and see the optional elements. In a method, apart from method name, return type, which is mandatory elements, you can have a parameters inside the brackets and you can have non-access specifier and access specifier as part of the method declaration. Let's go and create one. Now I want to create void welcome person. Now I can go and take a parameter in here as string name. Now for the welcome message, first let us give the body for welcome message, give syso, which shows sysout, and welcome to India. Now Whereas here for the person we can give sysout welcome, give column space. Now give a plus which is called concatenation and give the name which is a parameter, right? This is what a method with parameter. The first one is a method which is a simple method with void return type. When you call this method, it will print welcome to India. The another method void welcome person, where you're passing a parameter called name. Once you call this method, it is going to print welcome your name. Let us execute this program and see. For that, create another class called welcome demo. On the package, right click new class welcome demo. As this is a demonstration class, we need a main method. Select checkbox of the main, say finish. Now you can see to do here, because this is generated by the tool. Remove this. Now let's create an object for welcome. Simply give 3 letters and give control space. It will show you the possible names with the first 3 characters. Select the first one, welcome space welcome obj. Simply I am giving an object name as welcome obj equal to new welcome. Now welcome obj is created. Now let's go and call the first method. For that type wel, give control space and select the first one which is welcome obj and dot. You can see the methods available here. Call the first method welcome message. Now save this program, right click, run as Java application. Now you can see it print as welcome to India. Where is the welcome India available? It's not in our program, where in welcome demo, which is there in the welcome Java file. When you call welcome message with the reference of welcome object, it printed welcome to India. Now let's call another method in the welcome demo. Call welcome object dot choose. It will show you all the available methods. As I told earlier, you have methods which are from your superclass called object. Now welcome person. Now let's mention, as welcome person is accepting a string which is of name, we can give here welcome person of, let's say, Alex Brian. Save it, right click, run as Java application. Now you can see here the first one is welcome to India, which is the first method, and the second method welcome person, which is of Alex Brian, welcome Alex Brian. Right? We will create another class with different methods which return some value. Now, method return type. What does method return upon completion of execution? Let's say in a method we write a business logic. Once it got executed, we want some value to be returned to us. That is called return type. Let's go and create a calculation class where we will add certain methods called addition, subtraction, multiplication. When you call these methods, it should return some values for us. Go back to your IDE. Now right click on your com.py.method package, new, class calculations and say finish. Now, what is the use of these calculations? In this class, we are going to write addition, subtraction and multiplication. I am inside the method and integer addition, and it takes integer first value and integer second value. Now, once you create this method, you can see an error which looks like a bulb. Click on this. It will show you add return statement or change return type to void. Why is it saying is we have mentioned integer as a return type. When I pass first value and second value, add those two values and return a value to me that is of integer type. So click on this and click on add return statement. By default, the compiler will take whatever it comes to it. Now, the logic is what we have to do is we have to add first value plus second value. For that, simply take first value, okay, plus second value and save it. This is what we want. So in this method, when you call calculations of addition method, it will take the first value and second value. It will add both of them and it will return to us. Let's go and execute this program. For that, first let us create a class called calculations demo. Right click on method, new class calculations demo, and say we want a public static void main because we want a main method to execute the program. Delete the to do, and here I want to create a class called calculations, and the object name which I am giving for this is calc equal to new calculations. Now I have created an object called calc. Using this calc, I can call a method. The method addition. Ideally, all the methods names take in the ascending order and shown here. Double click on the addition, and in the first value give 10 and second value give 25 and put the semicolon, save it. Now the program is ready. Now I'm clearing the console, right click, run as Java application. Now the program is completed, but you don't see any value. What happened? If you go to the addition, just keep the method on here, you can see int value here. This method is going to return the integer. So you can take a integer value, say added value equal to. What did I do here? The addition method is returning an integer which I am capturing in a variable and stored on it. Now I can print this value by sysout. syso control space. Now here added values are, give plus and copy this one added value using Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now save this, execute this program, right click, run as Java application. Now you can see added values are 35. Let's go and give, in place of 10, give 100, save it, execute, right click, run as Java application. Now you can see added values are 125. You people can go ahead and create additional methods for subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and whatever you want. Now, we have seen what is the use of a return type. A return type is used to capture the method's return value, and that can be used to print out, or that we can use to assign for another variable, which can be used in further statements of the application. Now, method parameters. You can pass values to methods using parameters. As we have seen in the add method, which is addition method, we are passing two parameters here of type integer first value, integer second value. When we are calling this method, we are passing the actual values in the method. So the first value will be replaced with the value which we set in the method, and the calculation will happen here. So here we used only one statement, but ideally you can have any number of statements here which will be get executed. Now, access specifiers for a method. There are total 4 types of access specifiers available in Java, which is public, package, protected, and private. All of these access specifiers can be used in method, but only one at a time. You can't mix and match with multiple access specifiers in one method. Only one access specifier is allowed. We will look into access specifiers in separate video. Non-access specifiers for a method. There are few non-access specifiers applicable for methods. Those are final, abstract, static. These non-access specifiers are the keywords of Java, where we will cover these in separate video, but for now you should understand all the access specifiers are accepted for methods, as well as few of the non-access specifiers are used in a method. That's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.